Welcome to another R&M 422 do-it-yourself video for this Corvette Z06 with a aftermarket splitter. The original splitter was plastic, and this one is carbon flash, and it's a little bit fancier. The original splitter, as well as this one, has a clearance of only barely 5 inches, and I'm going to install aluminum for Corvette jacking lift pads puck. These are available for C5, C6, C7, GS06 and ZR1s, and they're red, they're aluminum, and I'm gonna go ahead and install 4 of them in the jack points. In order to do that, we need to raise the car up, and I bought these race ramps, which were pretty good when I had the stock splitter in the front, but with the new carbon flash ones, they don't work as well. As you can see here, when I position the race ramp, the clearance is not there with the new splitter. It's already touching right here, and once it rolls up, it will continue to drag all the way up to the top of the ramp. In addition, the Z06 has, I don't know if you see it here, this plastic piece here for aero, and that's going to drag, and that's even lower than the splitter. Okay, my solution to raising the car up so I can put in the jack pucks is to use these low profile wheel ramps, and I have 2 of them that will allow me to put it next to the wheel, drive over it, and raise it far enough so I can put in a jack. It's about a little bit over 17 inches long, or about 17 inches long, and 9 3/4 wide. Okay, I positioned the low profile ramp on one side and right up against the wheel here with the tire, and as you can see here, this plastic piece on the Z06 is still going to touch, but the important thing is it will allow you to clear the splitter, which is around 5 inches off the ground. This is about 3 inches right here. So I'm going to drive up over it after I placed the ramps on both sides in front of the tires. Okay, driving up the ramp. As you can see here, now I have plenty of clearance. Okay, this set of jack pucks come with 8 washers, and the way I chose to assemble it is, well, it's depicted in the picture. you have this gap here, and then you can use 1 or 2 washers. I'm going to go ahead and use 2, and then just tighten it just enough so it's on there, and then put it inside the holes underneath the car where the jack points are on the Corvette. Okay, to install it, you're going to need a 4 hex wrench, metric, to tighten it here, and we'll use that once we get it inside the car or underneath the jack point. Okay, there is my jack point, and it has a hole in the middle here, and I'm going to put that in there and then tighten it up. Again, it's important to put it in there loose so you have some space, and this neck extends up into the hole. So that is the amount of space I'm leaving as I put it inside the jack point. Okay, it's in there and it's nice and tight. And it's not going anywhere. And I'm going to do the same thing on the rest, the other 3 jack points. Okay, I finished installing all 4 pucks in each of the jack points on the car. On one side I used 2 washers per puck, and on the other side I only used 1, and I guess using 1 will make it a little bit more secure because these screw, more threads will be used when you tighten up the screw here. At any rate, I will be checking these periodically and using the 4mm hex wrench to retighten these if necessary. Don't want to lose them anywhere. Otherwise, I think it should stay, and it should be okay. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.